Have you ever wanted to style a parent element in CSS based on its child but couldn't? Now you can with the newly supported hash selector. Let me show you how. We've got a simple HTML file. It's got some basic styling, and then we've got a form that has two inputs for email, password. In our CSS, we have a rule that says if the input is invalid, give it a red border, and if the input is valid, give it a green border. In the browser, by default, we get a red border around both of these inputs. If we enter in a valid email, it turns green, and the same thing for password, but we could go one step further using the hash selector. What we're gonna do is add a red border around this form if one of the inputs is invalid. So we create a new rule, form, hash selector, input, give it a border, 2 pixels, solid. And now, if any of the inputs are invalid, we get a red border around the form itself. And if we enter in some valid input, even though the individual input is valid and we get green, we still have a red outline on the form. But if we enter in a password, you can see the red outline around the form disappears. So if you found that useful, hit the follow button for more quick tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.